What we got here is a 2013 club car XRT, or a 950 XRT. My apologies. And it's got the 14 horsepower Vanguard on it, and it is smoking like no other. It's mosquito fogging. It's bad. And this guy doesn't want to drive around his deer lease like that. So what I'm going to do is pull the motor and go ahead and put some new piston rings in it. Go ahead and hone it out. Look for any other problems. Probably some oil seals or something. Not sure yet, but it's already been worked on once, so that's sort of scary. You can see the bolt right here. It's not the original.
No, you can see my...
So, as we dive off into this, I'll try to keep a good vlog of it, and hopefully everything goes smooth. You don't have any problems. I didn't see a whole lot online about it, but I'll do my best to
Is this a guess?
put everything in there. Gas booth out.